Welcome back to Cars Point, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love high-performance machines, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping designs, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special for you, the 2025 BMW M8. This beast of a car takes luxury and performance to an entirely new level, and we're about to dive into everything you need to know. The 2025 BMW M8 is a perfect blend of power, precision, and sophistication. Under the hood, it packs a monstrous 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, this machine can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. That's hypercar territory, making the M8 one of the fastest grand tourers on the planet. But speed isn't the only thing that makes this car special. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension for an even sharper driving experience. With adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering, the M8 handles like a dream whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing it to the limit on the track. Stepping inside, the M8 welcomes you with pure luxury. Premium merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trims, and a 12.3-inch curved display with BM's latest iDrive system make the cabin both high-tech and comfortable. The Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while the ambient lighting and M-specific digital instrument cluster add to the futuristic feel. When it comes to design, the 2025 M8 is nothing short of stunning. The aggressive front grille, sleek LED laser headlights, and sculpted aerodynamics give it an unmistakable presence. The quad exhaust tips and rear diffuser hint at the raw power within, while new color options like frozen tanzanite blue and Isle of Man green make it stand out even more. Safety and tech are also top-notch, with BM's advanced driver assistance systems ensuring a smooth and secure ride. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system add confidence behind the wheel. The 2025 BMW M8 is more than just a car, it's a statement. With breathtaking performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology, it's the ultimate grand tourer for those who demand the best. Let us know what you think about the new M8 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.